Hi boys and girls! I'm doing my assembly video from home this week and I've been out doing some Christmas shopping. I'm feeling very Christmassy, can you tell? I'm so super excited because there's lots of cool and lovely things to be happening. It's December already, can't believe it. Now remember, in December at school you can always wear your Christmas jumper. Why would you have a Christmas jumper if you can't wear it in December? You can wear your Christmassy hats just like me to keep yourself super cosy because our playground is now very cold. Remember, we live in Scotland, it's going to be cold. I would like to see everybody wearing their hats and gloves and keeping really warm. Remember on Friday when we had a tiny little bit of snow? Very quickly it turned into quite a lot of slush and rain. Didn't feel good on our little feet, did it? So make sure that you're wrapped up warm for the winter weather in Scotland because it's not going to get any cosier and it's probably not going to get any drier either. Coats, hats, gloves, scarves. If you're very sensible, have something dry to change into, like a pair of gym shoes, but you don't have to do that, that's just a good idea. We are going to be in assembly this week talking about emotion works again. We did have a little chat about the words for different emotions and what they meant, and I know that some of you were doing some work for me, so you will get to see the displays in the hall are going to look fantastic with all your work, so look forward to that. We're also going to be talking about how we live our school values all the time, and Primary 4 have already been talking to me about that quite a lot. How do we show that KNPS cares? How do we show that we are compassionate by being kind to others and doing nice things? How do we show our ambition when we're working in our classes? How do we show respect towards others? And are we taking responsibility for the things that we do? I want you to have a little bit of a think about that with the person who does your assembly with you. And we're looking at some posters and you helping to make some posters that will help describe to anyone who doesn't know our school how we live our Kirkcaldy North values, how we show that the children and the adults at Kirkcaldy North care. That's going to be our big focus this week, okay? Last wee thing, if you would like to join in, some of the grown-ups are already enjoying trying to come up with the best Christmas masks because you know we all have to wear our masks all the time. Children, if you would like to join in with that, that's absolutely okay, but it won't be better than mine. I'll see you in assembly, and if I don't see you in assembly because you're not one of my classes, hi, I'll see you in the dining hall. Have a great week, everyone.